सेवितं कपिते जम्बूफलचारु भक्षणम् उमासुतं शोक विनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पाद पंकजम्। नीलाम्बुजश्यामल कोमलांगं सीता समारोपित वामभागं पाणौ महासायक चारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम्। विष्णुपत्नीं क्षमां देवी माधवीं प्रियां विष्णुप्रियां सखे देवी नमोच्युतवल्लभां महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। लक्ष्मी सब पर कृपा करे, महालक्ष्मी सब पर कृपा करे, सर्वभूतिताताय वसुवृष्टिं सदा कुरु। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम। हनुमान जी लंका का बड़े अच्छे ढंग से वर्णन कर रहे हैं। कांचनेन आवृत्तां रम्यां प्राकेण महापुरीं गृह्य श्रीशंकाशयी शारदाम्बुदसन्निभे। महापुरी सोने की 4 दीवारों से घिरी हुई थी, पर्वत के समान ऊंचे और शरद ऋतु के बादलों के समान श्वेत भवनों से घिरी हुई थी। द सिटी ऑफ लंका वॉज सराउंडेड बाई 4 walls मेड ऑफ गोल्ड and buildings were as high as mountains and as white as cloud of winter season. Limpid lakes, scented lotus with their fragrance filled the air, and clustering fruits of golden beauty in the sunlight beamed, फल चमक रहे थे brightly. हनुमान जी saw सीता। हनुमान जी कैसी लग रही थी? Like the beauteous star Rohini by a grave overtaken, or a lotus by torrent shaken. Fast and vigils paled her beauty, tears bedimmed her tender grace, anguish dwelt within her bosom, sorrow darkened her face. This is she, the peerless princess, Ram's consort loved and lost. This is she, the saintly Sita, but a cruel fortune crossed. Iyam sa dharmashilashya janakashya mahatmana सुता मैथिली राजस्य सीता भृत दृढ़ व्रता। ये धर्मशील मिथिला नरेश महात्मा राजा की पुत्री सीता पतिव्रत धर्म में दृढ़ है। Unforgetting, unchanging, truthful, still in deed and word, Sita in her silent suffering, sorrow for her absent Lord, still for Ram lost, but cherished Sita, heaved a choking sigh, sigh, choking gala rundraye. Sita lives for righteous Ram. For a Ram she would die. She would die. Now the voice of hope comes. अब आशा बनती है। सो अवतीर्य द्रुमान तस्माद विदुम प्रतिमान विनीत वेश। Hanuman from leafy shelters lifts his voice in a sacred song till the tale of Ram's glory. Ram wandered in the wood, searched for Sita in the jungle. Now Sugri's dauntless forces wander far and wander near in search of stolen Sita, still unto Ram dear. प्रविष्टो नगरीं लंका लंघित्वा महोदधिं कृत्वा मूर्धनि पदन्यासं रावणस्य दुरात्मने. Having leaped across the vast sea, I penetrated deep into the city of Lanka, setting my foot as it were on the head of evil-minded Ravan. उसके सिर पे मैंने जैसे पैर रख दिया है। फिर सीता जी पूछती हैं, वानराणाम नराणाम च कथम आसी समागमे. How did the meeting take place between monkeys and human beings? Hanuman spoke, I am not what you suppose me to be. वानरो अहम महाभागे दूतो रामस्य धीमते राम नाम अंकित चेदम पश्य देव अंगुलीकम. महाभागे मैं परम बुद्धिमान श्री राम का दूत वानर हूँ. मुद्रिका देखिए. Ram's messenger and vessel, token from thy Lord I bring. Mark this bright ring, jewel lettered with the dear name of thy king. इसको देखिए, उसको लेकर के गृहीत्वा प्रेक्षमाणा सा भारतो कर विभूषितम भ्रात्रार्मि सांप्रतम जानकी मुदिता भवत। पति के हाथ को सुशोभित करने वाली मुद्रा को ध्यान से देखने लगी और इतनी प्रसन्न हुई मानो स्वयं पतिदेव मिल गए हों। सीता held that tender token from her loved and cherished Lord. Once more she fancied to his loving arms restored, and her pale face was lighted. And her soft eye sent a spark. उसकी आंखों में चमक आ गई. As the moon regains her luster from roused shadows dark. सीता spoke to हनुमान जी. सतयोजन विस्तीर्ण सागरो मकरालय विक्रम श्लाघिनीन क्रमता गोष्पदि कृत। आप प्रशंसा के पात्र हैं। मगर आदि जंतुओं से भरे हुए सतयोजन सागर को गाय के खुर के समान समझ करके लांग गए। योर वेलर इज प्रेशिएबल, यू हैव क्रॉस्ड द ओशन फुल ऑफ क्रोकोडाइल्स एटसेट्रा एज इफ इट वर ए हूप ऑफ ए काऊ। Speak if Ram lives in safety in the woods or by the hill, and if young and gallant Lakshman faithful serves his brother still. कच्चिन्न विगत स्नेहो विवासनमयी राघव कच्चिन माम व्यसनाद अस्मान मोक्षसी राघव. Has he become devoid of love towards me as a result of living abroad? Will Shri Ram ever deliver me from this calamity? कच्चिन लक्ष्मण शूर है सुमित्रा आनंद वर्धने अस्त्र विच्छ्रजालेन राक्षसान विधिमिष्यति. Will that heroic Lakshman who enhances the joy of Sumitra ever exterminate the Rakshasas with his volley of arrows? सीताया वचनम श्रुत्वा मारुति भीम विक्रमे चिरस्य अंजलि आधाय वाक्यम उत्तम ब्रवीत. सीता के वचन सुनकर हनुमान with due obeisance placed his hand upon his head and in gently accent said, ने त्वाम ही स्थाम जानीते राम कमल लोचन. कमल लोचन राम को ये पता ही नहीं है कि आप यहाँ लंका में रह रही हैं. Lotus-eyed Ram doesn't know that you are living here in Lanka. Trust me, lady. Trust me, Mate. Valiant Ram soon will greet this saintly wife. He shall smite the impious Ravan. राम जी तो न मांसम रागो भुंगते न चेव मधु सेवते. Flesh of deer nor forest honey tasteth Ram, true and bold, till she rescues cherished Sita from the Rakshasas' castled hold. नेवम दंशान नेवम मंशकान न कीटान न सरीसृपान राघवो अपने आद गात्राद त्वद्गते अंतरात्मना. Shri Ram is no longer able to drive away gnats, mosquitoes, insects, even reptiles from his body because his mind is fixed on you. Anidra सततम राम है सुप्तो अपि च नरोत्तम सीतेति मधुरान वाणी व्यवहारन प्रतिबुध्यसे. Sri Ram remains awake even when as asleep, utters the name of Sita, Sita, Sita in sweet accents. सोते हुए भी बोलते रहते हैं सीते 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 मैं माई सीते सीते सीते. Sita spoke इदं ब्रूयाश्च मे नाथं शूरं रामं पुनः पुनः जीवितं धारिष्यामि मासं दशरथात्मज. Also submit again and again to my Lord that I am going to survive only a month. ततो वस्त्रगतं मुक्त्वा दिव्यं चूड़ामणि शुभं प्रदेयो राघवेति सीता हनुमते ददौ. Untying the bright jewel from her garment, Sita gave to Hanumanji, saying that it might be delivered to Sri Ram. Sri Hanumanji made up his mind to lay waste the royal pleasure garden as a means of ascertaining the strength of the enemy. देखे शत्रु में कितना दम है, उनकी भुजाओं में कितना दम है. Perceiving the devastation of royal pleasures, the Kinkraj attacked on Shri Hanuman. आक्रमण कर दिया. तो Hanuman killed some of them and Jambumali also. Hearing the death of 5 generals, Ravan sends Prince Akshay. ततस्तं रणचंड विक्रम प्रवर्ध तेजो बलवीर्य सायकम. Akshay was princess whose powers and forces are formidable. और हनुमान जी ने जब उसको देखा तो उसकी prowess and force of arrows was formidable in combat. Hanumanji shouted in joy as a clap of thunder. Akshay pierced the chest of Hanumanji with shafts. Hanumanji catching hold of him as Garuda would seize a huge serpent and spinning him round 1,000 times and dashed him violently to the battleground on the earth. ममोच वेगात मही तले. जैसे गरुड़ सर्प को पकड़ता है वैसे ही पकड़कर 1000 बार घुमाकर धरती पर दे मारा. Dashed him against the ground. Filled with rage on Prince Akshay being killed by Hanuman, Ravan commanded Indrajit, O Indrajit, निहितो किंकरो सर्वे जम्बू माली च राक्षसे अमात्य पुत्रो विरश पंच सेनाग्रामिने. O Indrajit, Jambu Mali and all the kinkros have been killed by blood. Even the heroic 7 sons of my chief minister and 5 generals have been killed by Hanuman. O Indrajit, Sahodaraste, Daite, Kumarakshase, Sudite. O Indrajit, your uterine brother also with forces have been killed. O Indrajit, tate pitustad vachanam nishamya कि तुम्हारा भाई माजाया भाई भी मारा गया है. जब मेघनाथ ने सुना your uterine brother Majaya also has been killed. Hearing that exhortation of his father, Indrajit sallied for contest with full passion for war. Hearing the rumbling gadagat of his chariot and war drums damadam, Hanumanji sprang once more. So Indrajit's arrows were raining on Hanuman. Both warriors were equal in prowess. Indrajit, realizing the fact that the monkey is incapable of being slain, thereupon Indrajit fitted to his bow the missile presided over by Brahma, aiming at Hanuman. Ten baddhastato astrain rakshasen sevanar. The monkey was bound with the help of that missile. Hanuman submitted to that ordinance of Brahma. Hanuman considered it as an opportunity of a talk with Ravan. मौका है। हनुमानस्ततः क्रूरैः राक्षसैः कालमुष्टभिः। देखिए कितना अपमान कर रहे। हनुमानस्ततः क्रूरैः राक्षसैः कालमुष्टभिः समीपम राक्षेन्द्रस्य प्राकृशत सेवान रहे, being struck by cruel monsters with their fists, and the monkey was dragged violently to the presence of रावण के पास ले जाके उपस्थित किए। हन्यताम दह्यताम वापि भक्षिताम, हन्यताम दह्यताम वापि भक्षिताम से राक्षस तत्र से क्रुद्धा परस्पर ब्रुवन आपस में कहने लगे। They highly embraced Rakshasa said to one another, let the monkey be killed, roasted, roast करते ना, roasted alive, जिंदा ही उसको पका लो, or even devoured. Hanuman speaks to Ravan, परदारान महाप्रज्ञ नोपरुद्धम त्वमर्षि, O most wise king, you ought not to detain another's wife. या सीतेत्य अवजानासि येयम तिष्ठति ते गृहे काल रात्रीति ताम विद्धि सर्व लंका विनाशनीम. नो सीता who stays in your abode, जो तुम्हारे घर में है, to be none else than Kal Ratri, bent upon destroying whole of Lanka. Kal Ratri is a goddess of universal dissolution. Sita is a noose of death about your neck. सीता तुम्हारी गर्दन में मौत का फंदा है. सैतस्य वचनम श्रुत्वा वानरस्य महात्मने आज्ञापयद वद तस्य रावण मूर्छिते. Provoked by the harsh words of Hanuman, Ravan orders him to be put to death. Vibhishan points out that the killing of an envoy messenger is forbidden by the Shastra. क्षमाश्वरोषम त्यज राक्षसन प्रसीद में वाक्यम शृणुस्व वधम न कुर्वन्ति परवरज्ञा दूतस्य संतो देवेन्द्र. Forgive me, I pray, cast off your anger, O ruler of Rakshasa. Be propitiated and listen my appeal. Virtuous rulers don't take life of messengers. तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा दशग्रीवो महात्मने, hearing the advice of his younger brother, सम्यग् उक्तं हि भवता दूतवद्या विगर्हितो कपिनां किल लाङ्गुलमिष्टं भवति भूषणम्. तदस्य दीप्यतां शीघ्रं तेन दग्धेन गच्छतु. It is truly said by you that the killing of a messenger is condemned. Some other punishment other than death must be given to him. Of monkeys, that tail is cherished embellishment. Therefore, let his tail be set on fire at once and let him return with his tail burnt. Hanuman thanks. सर्वेषां पर्याप्तो राक्षसानां युधि किंतु रामस्य प्रत्यर्थम विशिष्य अहम ईदृशम. मैं इन सब के लिए पर्याप्त हूँ किंतु राम के लिए सब सहन करूँगा.